Hi guys, my name is Marina Hayner and I am a high school business teacher at DeKalb, Missouri. For those of you that aren't familiar, it's a small town outside of St. Joseph, Missouri. I've taught here now for 2 years and I love it. They actually hired me before I graduated college and it's been an awesome experience. Along with teaching, I also am an FBLA advisor and I do junior class, so I do all the concession stands, plan prom, all the fun stuff. Outside of work, I am currently planning a wedding, and so I am crazy busy with that. I'm taking, grad school courses, and hopefully I'll finish up this December if I stay on track. Um, and then after that, I mostly play volleyball in my free time, or I like to exercise, stay healthy, and kind of get in shape for my wedding. But there's not a lot of free time outside of those things that I do, and I love it. I couldn't imagine doing anything else. So specifically in this class, this is my sixth class in this program. And in this class, I hope to become more Google friendly. I am honestly not a Google person as I teach Microsoft programs in my school. So most students are familiar with Google and they learn it outside of my classroom, but in my classroom, I want them to learn Microsoft. So I don't use Google, but maybe towards the end of the year when we're going over forms or Google Sites, and those, of course, I'm more familiar with, but I am not so familiar with like Google Docs just because I don't use it as much as I have in this grad school course. So hopefully maybe in this class I'll become more familiar with it and more comfortable using it. But honestly, I'm not a Google person. I'm definitely more Microsoft. And now that they have Microsoft Online, I use Microsoft Online and I teach my students to use Microsoft Online as well. So hopefully this course will teach me to become more familiar, more comfortable, and more of a Google person. So I can't wait to learn from the rest of you. I'm excited for this semester. Thanks.